Home remedy for dry eyes. 11 tips for effective at-home treatment. Dry eyes are discomforting and irritating condition. It occurs when your eyes do not produce enough tears to keep them adequately lubricated. Dry eyes can initiate myopia or other eye problems. I want to share with you 11 effective home remedies for dry eyes treatment at home. Best tips to cure dry eyes effectively and provide relief. First, blink regularly. Consciously blink more often, especially when using digital devices, reading or watching television, to prevent your eyes from drying out. Natural blinking is the best way to refresh your eyes. Second, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can contribute to overall body hydration, including your eyes. Third, omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate food rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, into your diet to promote healthy tear production. Fourth, don't use artificial tears. Avoid using eye drops because natural tears will stop producing. Fifth, stay mindful of screen time. Take regular breaks when using digital devices to reduce eye strain and dryness caused by prolonged screen time exposure. Humidify your environment. Use a humidifier in your living and working spaces to maintain a more comfortable level of humidity, which can prevent eye dryness. 7. Massage your temples. Gently massage your temples in a circular motion to help release natural oils and improve tear distribution. 8. Cucumber slices. Place cool cucumber slices on your closed eyelids for a soothing and hydrating effect. 9. Avoid direct airflow. Position of fans or air conditioners units away from your face to prevent air from blowing directly onto your eyes. 10. Adjust lighting. Ensure that your lighting is adequate when reading or working to reduce eye strain, which can contribute to dryness. 11. Proper eye training to recover the functionality of your eyes. With eye exercises, you will increase blood flow and all tear production functions. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. While these home remedies can provide relief from dry eyes, remember, prevention is the key. Incorporating these tips into your daily routine can help maintain healthy and comfortable eyes, even if challenging environments.